Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful heart-patterned crochet bookmark. It's a fun and easy project that's perfect for gifting or keeping for yourself. I hope this tutorial inspires you and gets your creative juices flowing. It's going to be a blast. The best part? You can customize this heart bookmark to any length you want. Make it short and sweet or long and lovely, totally up to you. I will guide you through all the details step by step in this video, so it's perfect for crocheters of all levels. For this project, I'm using Himalaya amigurumi cotton yarn. We'll pair it with a 2.5mm crochet hook to create our bookmark magic. Before we start, please support my channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Now, let's get started. Let's begin making our adorable bookmark by creating a magic ring. Great. Now, chain 5. Work 7 treble crochet stitches into the magic ring. Chain 2. Now, 7 more triple crochets into the ring. We're building the heart's foundation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Chain 5. Slip stitch into the ring to close. Gently tug the magic ring tight. See? Our heart is starting to appear. Isn't it adorable? Into that chain space we just made, work 6 single crochets. Now, work 1 double crochet into the top of each triple crochet from the previous row, all the way to the chain space at the pointy end of the heart. Okay, I've got 7 double crochets in a row so far. Now, into that chain space, let's make 3 double crochets. That brings us to a total of 10 double crochets. I'd love to hear what you think. Let me know in the comments. Now work 7 double crochet stitches side by side in the top of each of the 7 treble crochet stitches from the previous round. Now, work 6 single crochets into that chain space. To finish this round, slip stitch into the top of the slip stitch from the previous row. Round 2 of our heart is complete. Now, work 6 single crochets, one into each of the tops of the 6 single crochets from the row below. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please consider subscribing. It means a lot. Okay, here's a little trick. Work 2 single crochets into the top of each of the next 4 triple crochets. This will give us 8 single crochets in total. Continue to work single crochet stitches side by side in the top of each double crochet stitch from the previous round until you reach the chain 2 space. Into the chain space, make 4 single crochets. Time to make the chain for the bookmark itself. Chain as many as you want. It's totally up to you and how long you want your bookmark. I recommend making a nice long chain for the curly part we're about to do. It'll look super cute. I'm going to make 60 chains. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep chaining. This bookmark is going to be so special. Almost there. Keep up the great work. If you're having fun, please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, 60 chains done. Now, into the third chain from your hook, work 3 half double crochets. Then, 3 half double crochets in the next chain space. And another 3 half double crochets in the next chain space. See the pattern? Keep going. 3 half double crochets in the next chain space. We're going to do this for a total of 22 chain spaces, putting 3 half double crochets in each one. I've already done 4 chain spaces. Keep going just like that until you've filled 22 chain spaces. Look, by working those half double crochets, we've created this beautiful, gentle curl. Now, for the remaining chains, simply work a slip stitch into each one. Once you've slip stitched into the very last chain, work 4 more single crochets into that chain space at the tip of the heart. Now work 7 single crochets, 1 in each of the tops of the 7 triple crochets from the previous row. Just like we did before, Work 2 single crochets into the top of each of the next 4 triple crochets. This will give us 8 single crochets. And finally, work 6 single crochets, 1 into the top of each of the 6 single crochets from the row below. After that last single crochet, slip stitch into the top of the slip stitch from the previous row. Chain 1 and snip that yarn. Absolutely amazing! I love creating with you. And there you have it. We've finished every step, and your heart-shaped bookmark is complete. How do you feel? Wasn't that fun and rewarding? That's everything for this video. I truly hope you found it helpful and enjoyed crocheting along with me. Until next time, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Bye for now.